Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. In this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how to select your payment provider. So we can check it out on the left side guys of your account, of your admin.shopify.com account. Down below we can see the settings. Of course that's where we start. So step number one is settings. You can press on it on the bottom left corner. Down below we can scroll and see payment sections. So fifth option from the top, 1 2 3 4 5, fifth press on payments, and here you can, as you can see, choose your payment provider. You can press on it and then you can see for testing only is bogus gateway. So right here you can select between ATM payments. Right here integration Easy Pay, mobile cards, Wonderway guys right here, Pack Brazil, Payoneer checkout, native cards, PayPlug is here as well, Safe Web Services, CyberSource, QuickPay, Stripe, and Windcade. So give it a shot. As I said, it's super easy to find guys. On the payment section, select third-party payment providers right here, and that's all you need to do.